Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in clothing and gear. Today, we're featuring what might just be the best Carhartt camo shirt for your kids. The Carhartt Kids California 6449, long-sleeve camo graphic t-shirt in caviar black. This shirt is perfect for boys in sizes large, around 14 to 16 years old. Whether you're looking for something stylish, durable, or practical for your child, this shirt has it all. Carhartt is known for creating quality apparel that can withstand the toughest environments, and this long-sleeve camo graphic tee is no exception. Crafted from 100% cotton, it offers a soft and comfortable fit that's perfect for active kids who are always on the move. The pull-on closure makes it easy to get on and off, while the crew neck style keeps it simple and functional. One of the standout features of this shirt is the vibrant, camouflage graphic on the front. It's perfect for kids who love outdoor adventures, as the camo print blends seamlessly with the rugged style that Carhartt is famous for. Not only does it look great, but it's also versatile enough to be worn for a variety of occasions, from casual days at school to weekend outings with the family. The shirt is machine washable, making it easy to care for and maintain. And the best part? It's built to last. With Carhartt's reputation for durable construction, you can count on this shirt to hold up through all the rough and tumble your child puts it through. Whether they're climbing, playing, or just hanging out, this shirt will keep them comfortable and looking cool. So, if you're looking for a high-quality, durable, and stylish shirt for your boy, the Carhartt Kids California 6449, long-sleeve camo graphic t-shirt in caviar black is a great option. Don't miss out on this fantastic piece of clothing. It's perfect for any outdoor-loving kid who needs something tough yet comfortable. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.